I don't really believe in coincidence. So who the fuck are you? Who shoots a guy in the ass? Drop it.
How the hell are you still standing, man?
Shot me in my wallet, put a hole in my brand new Billy Fins.
I tell you what. How about I give you an IOU on your fancy pants and we just call this a misunderstanding, cool?
I don't like to usually make assumptions in my line of work, but, you're not Anton Bogdanov, are you?
That's not Anton over there.
Oh, this? No. This over here is Ivan.
They're Bratva.
And you're out of questions.
Hey, hold on. I can help you track him. See, I'm looking for the Bratva too.
Here's what we're gonna do. I saw you turn that thing on. Pick it up, give it to me without the ninja shit, and I won't blow your fucking head off. You broke it on purpose, didn't you? Just to be a dick.
Like, I already tracked him. Says they're working at Pier 13.
Oh, Pier 13?
Mm-hmm.
You wouldn't be fucking with me, would you? Because if you are, you're gonna have a little road time with Ivan the Terrible over there.
That's what it says, man. 1-3.
1-3, huh?
Guys, I found a link. Definitely Bratva. But there was a complication.
What kind of complication?
About 6 feet tall, Chinese, wears a designer suit when he's out murdering people.
Yeah. It sounds like you stepped in a big old pile of organized crime drama. Well, it could be a shoe hitman.
Hitman sounds about right, but I don't think he's shoe. I gave him the slip, but he's after the same people we are.
You couldn't get him to work with us?
The dude is insane.
Sanity's never been a prerequisite.
I'm headed back to the hackerspace. Let's see what we can dig up with the new info.